Welcome to this Converge webinar. Today, we are going to focus on EpiGrid cloud hosting and how EpiGrid reduces the IT burdens of your engineering manufacturing group. That is the topic for today, but if you come back to this exact page in, I guess, tomorrow, I'll have this updated. Then under resources, upcoming events and webinars, we'll have the next one for next month listed here, which just a sneak peek, this will change tomorrow to advertise our webinar for April, which is an hour-long session with Kevin Zich from Dassault Systems. He is a 3D experience expert, and he's going to join us to talk about the 3D experience at large and how you can use it today and what the actual use cases are for the 3D experience platform. I know that's kind of an unknown for a lot of folks, and we're starting to understand how to better use that platform. And Kevin's really insightful as to ways to do that. So look out for that coming 1 month from today or sometime around there. We usually do them on Wednesday at 10:30 a.m. East time. Also on this page, I like to show we do have our completed webinars. If you didn't catch January's or February's, it's here. We have February's listed where you can come in here and click to find the video playlist. Since this has already been done in the past, these are available to click request to access. And all of our webinars are here and our local events. So you can come to this page at any point and see what we've been up to, as well as what we're going to be up to. So that's a little housekeeping, little advertisement for next month. Again, we do one webinar per month and switch the focus based on whatever is most needed. So today we're talking about EpiGrid cloud hosting series. Sorry, not series, but cloud hosting for SOLIDWORKS.